is Yvonne trying to set a hey, walk back. Too close.
Right here.
Yeah, right there's good.
What you gotta do?
Figure it out yourself. Let's see. Push down on it, not just spin it.
That's deep enough yet?
Yeah, I think so. It's tight. Is it getting tight?
Pretty much.
Lock it. Lock it. Push the handle down. No,
Is that it?
yeah, that's it. There. There you go.
See? For nothing you put them there. Now the shade is there.
You can tilt the thing.
Huh?
You can tilt the top. Point it toward the sun. No, you're spinning it. You're not